Welcome to our tutorial on how to set up and manage drip autoresponders using PushEngage with WordPress. Let's dive right into creating an effective notification series that can keep your audience engaged. First, log into your PushEngage dashboard. To create a new drip notification, click on Drip Autoresponders from the menu. Now, click on Add New Notification so you can create a series of push notifications. Enter a name for your drip. Next, configure your notification content. Type in a welcoming message and perhaps include a special offer. To make your notifications more engaging, you can personalize messages using variables such as the subscriber's name. Preview your notification to ensure everything looks right. And define the sending conditions. For example, set the notification to be sent 1 hour after a user subscribes or when a subscriber gets added to a segment. You can choose to segment your audience for precise targeting. Choose demographics, user behavior, or custom attributes to tailor your notifications effectively. Finally, activate your autoresponder. Back in the Drip Autoresponders section, you can monitor the performance of all your notifications. Check metrics like views, clicks, and more. That's it. You've successfully set up a drip autoresponder campaign in PushEngage, leveraging the power of personalized, timely notifications to keep your audience engaged and connected. Thank you for watching and happy engaging.